how to download images or pictures on Pinterest. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily download images or pictures in Pinterest. So first thing, just head over to your Pinterest application and make sure you have successfully logged into your account. As you can see, I have logged into my account. So let's say I want to download this particular picture over here like this. Just tap on the particular picture that you want to download. You can also like this picture, which will be later saved into your liked files or liked section, where you can easily locate the particular photo. So to download it, all you have to do is just click on this three dot icon over here, just like this, and click on this download image option. So once you successfully download it, you can view it on your gallery section just like this. So as you can see, I'm inside my gallery folder and you can easily view it just like this. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.